Dear friends, welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to make Indian chicken curry in instant pot. We have 1 pound of chicken breast, cubed, 1 inch cubes, made it into 1 inch cubes. It's washed and cleaned. We have 1 cup of chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of ginger chopped, garlic 1 tablespoon, 2 medium-sized tomato, cilantro chopped, half a teaspoon of what is this? Fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 10 black pepper, and we have 2 ilachi and few cinnamon. We are going to fry this and make a gravy. Let's start the process. To start, put it in saute mode. Add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or canola oil. Once it's hot, we can start adding ingredients. Once it's fried, we need to grind it into paste, gravy, and chicken will be cooked in that. We are going to add cumin seed, followed by fennel seeds, black pepper. Once it's fried, we are going to add cardamom and cinnamon. Curry leaves, chopped onions, you can add pinch of salt while sauteing onion. That will make the process faster. Onion needs to be fried, sauteed well. Once it becomes translucent, we will add ginger and garlic. It will take 2-3 minutes. The onion is fried, it's translucent. We will add chopped garlic and ginger now. 1 tablespoon of each. This needs to be fried. In 1 minute, we will add tomato and cilantro. Ginger and garlic needs to be fried, cooked well. Ginger garlic is fried along with onions. Now we add tomato and chopped cilantro, coriander leaves. We are going to fry this and then grind. We are going to grind 70% to 75% of this mixture and leave the rest along with, and we are going to cook it along with chicken. Tomato is fried. Now we need to grind 75% of this mixture to make the gravy. Let's grind into gravy. Leave some and fry it along with chicken. Now we can add the chicken. Let it get fried for 2 minutes. In the meantime, we can make the gravy. So we are going to grind this into gravy. Add half a cup of water to make the gravy. Chicken is getting cooked. Chicken is getting fried a little bit and the gravy is ready. We are going to cook the chicken in this gravy. Before we add this gravy, we are going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of chili powder, red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. We are going to add half a teaspoon of garam masala, homemade garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You can add more salt if required. You can taste and add. Now you can add half a cup, then after tasting we can add more. This needs to be fried for a minute. Chicken is fried in the dry masala. Now we will add the gravy. Now we are going to cook this under pressure. So the chicken is going to get cooked in the gravy in the pressure cooker for how many minutes?
6 minutes.
6 minutes. It's a chicken breast, it cooks so fast. So change the mode to pressure cook. Six minutes. Then we add yogurt and chicken curry is ready. Chicken is cooked in the gravy for 6 minutes and the pressure is released. Now we can open. Chicken curry cooked in rich gravy. We are going to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half teaspoon of lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice to elevate the taste. And we added half a teaspoon of salt and we are going to add another half a teaspoon after tasting, and cilantro for garnishing. Now we can mix it and we will add this and cook it for 2-3 minutes. Lemon juice and yogurt. This needs to be cooked for 3-4 minutes. You can keep it open and cook it. Mix it well. So we are going to set it in saute again. So it's going to be cooked quickly, like 2-3 minutes. No need to put the lid again. It's cooked. Chicken curry is ready. Indian chicken curry cooked in instant pot. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.